It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder, and the premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes up here on the dash. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with the park brake just below. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have OnStar, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider. Next is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and it also has our trailering app. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. And to the right here we have hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, park assist, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control. This button here rolls all four windows down at the same time, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. No slip matting storage compartment down below with dual cup holders. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, black tow hooks, blacked out GMC emblem, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have sideline zone alert, black running boards down below, Elevation hard badging down the side, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window slider, 4x4, and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. You'll notice the rear GMC emblem is also blacked out. Next we have the easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. We also have GMC's MultiPro tailgate step. So by pushing two additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has two cup holders, the rear fans, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind-the-seat storage found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under-seat storage located by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited Elevation, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.